Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified whenever I post a new upload. So in today's video, I will be putting aloe vera on my hair and scalp for hair growth. So I have tried this in the past as a hair mask, as a pre-poo. It works either way because they're both going on your hair and your scalp, and it has worked, but you have to stay consistent. So I have a aloe vera plant in my backyard, and this is how I made the aloe vera. So this is my aloe vera plant in my backyard. Mine are very tiny. It is not like the normal big leaves you see on YouTube. Mine are very tiny. So I'm gonna cut a bunch just to get the right amount. This is the failed attempt, but then I started cutting it from the root just so I could get a lot. So after this is how much I actually got, as you guys can see here. And then I will just bring it to my sink and remove the unwanted green stuff from the aloe vera, and so you have this gooey consistency, just the insides from the aloe vera. And then I will put it in the blender and then just press the pulse a few times until I have the right consistency. So I have my concoction here put in a old container, and this is what it looks like. Very slimy, gooey, and it smells like aloe vera. So today I'm going to use it as a pre-poo instead of a hair mask, just because my hair is very tangled. Aloe vera has a lot of benefits for hair growth. It can also soothe itchy scalp. By the way, my concoction has been sitting in the fridge, so it can give my scalp a cooling sensation. Aloe vera is very good for hair growth. It relieves itchy scalp. It can solve dandruff. It can moisturize your hair. It can get rid of dry hair, dry ends, split ends. It has a lot of benefits. So if you struggle with any of these and do not have any hair products or so, you can just go get some aloe vera and DIY yourself a hair mask, a pre-poo treatment, anything. I'm not sure if you can leave aloe vera in your hair. I have not tried that, but if you want, you can try it. So yeah, my hair is very, very tangled. So putting a towel on my lap, because this can get messy. I do not recommend you do this in your room. You can do this in the shower. Where I live, I don't think we have the big leaves of aloe vera. I just had the small ones in my backyard, and that is what I used. So this is my hair, and we're gonna use it. One piece didn't blend because I didn't blend it long enough, but it's okay. The other pieces did blend. So let's get started. Aloe vera also has a lot of slip. If you make more than this, you can just store it in the fridge. So I am using this as a pre-poo treatment. If you are using this as a moisturizing treatment, you can go ahead and add more. But I just add enough to my liking. So all my hair has the aloe vera, and I will just let this sit for 30 minutes and then start my wash day. Just shampoo it out. If you want to use this as a hair mask, you can apply the mix after your shampoo and use it as a hair mask, and you can leave it on for what time you prefer. So I wouldn't be able to show you guys the results of my hair just because I did not focus on the moisture. I only focused on detangling my hair, but as you guys saw, that it really did a good job detangling it because it has so much slip. But I used all of it. I would recommend to blend it even more. I did not have the patience to blend it all the way, so there will be, in mine there were a few little chunks, and my brush has a few chunks, but it'll wash away. I might even have a few chunks in my hair, but yeah. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Have you used aloe vera before on your hair? Will you keep using it? I will definitely keep using it as a pre-poo as long as my hair is dry, and it has growth benefits. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.